Hello, welcome again. We are solving some conventional questions of compressible flow. The topic is Fano flow. Question number 32 from Civil Services Mains 2024 is air flows through a 5 centimeter diameter pipe. Measurement indicates that at the inlet to the pipe, the velocity is 70 meter per second. The temperature is 80 degrees Celsius and the pressure 1 atmosphere. Find the temperature, the pressure, the Mach number at the exit of the pipe if the pipe is 25-meter long. Assume that the flow is adiabatic and mean friction factor is 0.005. Use Fano table attached. So this is the Fano table, and so starting with finding Mach number. So as inlet velocity is 70 meter per second and temperature is 80 degrees Celsius, so the Mach number is u1 by sonic velocity, and sonic velocity is gamma RTV. So T is 270 plus 80 and u is 70. So from this we get Mach number as 0.1858. Okay. So now we will see from the table given. Here is the table. So here we have 0.15 and then zero point 0.2. So we'll use interpolation to find out various properties. So this table is for first line is Mach number, and then second line is the ratio of temperature to T star. T star is critical temperature, then the Mach number 1 is V, and P by P star is given pressure by critical pressure, and P naught by P naught star is stagnation pressure and stagnation critical stagnation pressure. Similarly, this is rho star by rho, and F by F star, and 4F L max by D. So L max is the maximum length up to which the sonic flow is reached. So this is your sorry, this is your pipe, and this is the inlet. So at this length, the at here the Mach number is 0.1858, and here the Mach number will be your 1, and this is the length, and that is given here in the table 4 at L max value. So that is your L max 1 corresponding to inlet Mach number, where the Mach number is 1, and the properties are critical properties. So from table you can find out these T star, P star, okay, and L max corresponding to 0.1858. So here table is there. So corresponding to 0.15 we have 1.1946, we talk about T by T star, and zero point 0.2 we have 1.1905. So by interpolation, the change in T by T star from zero point 0.2 to 0.15 is 1.1905 minus 1.1946. So rate of change is divided by zero point 0.2 minus 0.15, and for this is the rate of change, and this is the change from 0.15 to 0.185, and at 0.15 the T by T star is 1.1946. So at 0.1858, so T by T star will be 1.19173, and T is given as 280, sorry, 273 plus 80. So T star will be here 273 plus 80 by 1.19173, so that will be 296.208. Okay, similarly the P star can be found. So that is the value at 0.2 to the P star from table, second row, 7.2866, and this is 5.4555. Okay, so that is corresponding to 0.2, and that is corresponding to 0.15. And again change, this is rate of change of P by P star with respect to this Mach number, and this is for point for from 0.152, 0.185 and add 0.15 into 3. So P by P star comes out as 6.7327. So P star comes out as 0.14852 ampere because P is 1 ampere. So now from this row 4FL max by D 27.932 corresponding to 0.15 and corresponding to 0.2 is 14.533. So this is 27.932 minus 14.533 divided by 0.2 minus 0.15 multiplied by 0.185 minus 0.15 plus 14.533. So corresponding to following this we get 4 FL max by D 23.9123. Okay. So putting the values f 0.005, we get L max 1 as 59.7805. So this is 59.7805. But the length is 25 meters. So if we subtract this 25 from this L max 1, we get L max 2. Okay. So that will be 34.7805. Okay. So now corresponding to this 34.7805 we find out 4f L max by L max 2 by D. So that will come out as 13.9123. So now in table we have 14.533 and then 8.4834. So this is 13 point is in between this 0.25 and 0.2. So now we have L max 4 FL max 1 max 2 by D as 13.913. So corresponding to 0.2 it is this and corresponding to 0.25 it is this, and increase in this value from 0.2 to M2 is this, and at 0.2 it is 14.53. So from this we can get M2 comes with 0.205. So now we have M2 as 0.205. So but we have property that 0.2 and 0.25. So again using interpolation, so that is corresponding to T by T star corresponding to 0.2 and that is corresponding to 0.25, and that is increase in that is rate of change of T by T star respect to Mach number, and this is increase from if we multiply it will be increase in increase in T by T star from 0.2 to 0.205, and this is at 0.2 1.1905. So T2 by T star comes as 1.18997, and T2 T star we have found out that is to 96.2. So that T2 will come out as 352.47. Similarly, T2 by T star, so that is corresponding to 0.2 and this is corresponding to 0.25. 0.2 corresponding to 0.2 is 5.455 and corresponding to 0.25 is 4.35. So that will be, and that is the rate of change of P by P star respect to Mach number, and if we multiply this 0.205 minus 0.2, so that is the change in P by P star for that part, and at 0.2 the value is 5.455. So so solving this we get P2 by P star as 5.3451, and P star we have got that is 0.14852. So P2 will be at 0.7939 ampere. So now we have answers M2 is 0.205, P2 is 352.47,